Today I'm reviewing the Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM 32GB kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to gaming performance, speed alone is not enough. Latency plays a crucial role, and this Crucial DDR5 RAM is engineered for low latency performance at CL32, ensuring every millisecond counts in fast-paced gaming scenarios. Whether you are diving into the latest AAA titles or streaming while gaming, this RAM reduces lag and stutter, giving you a competitive edge and a more immersive experience. The combination of high speed and low latency makes this memory kit ideal for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and simulation software, where every frame and computation matters. The Crucial Pro DDR5 memory kit also offers elite compatibility with a wide range of modern systems. It supports Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, allowing stable and reliable overclocking with the latest Intel Core Ultra series processors and Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, as well as other new generation platforms. This means that whether you're building a new gaming rig, upgrading an existing desktop, or experimenting with overclocking, this RAM kit ensures smooth operation and optimal performance without the worry of system instability. In addition to performance, Crucial has paid attention to aesthetics and build quality. The modules feature a bold heat spreader design in either Stealth Matte Black or Snow Fox White, giving your system a tactical, battle-ready look that complements modern gaming builds. The heat spreaders are not just for show. They efficiently dissipate heat during extended gaming sessions or heavy computational workloads, maintaining consistent performance even under stress. Another important feature of this kit is its overclocking capability. With extended timings of 32-40-40-103, it ensures stable overclocking and reduced latency for advanced users who want to push their systems beyond default specifications. This memory leverages Micron's advanced memory technology, which underpins next-generation computing by providing high reliability, endurance, and consistent performance. Whether you're a professional content creator, hardcore gamer, or tech enthusiast looking for maximum performance, this RAM kit is built to handle it. Overall, the Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM 32GB kit strikes a perfect balance between speed, stability, and style. With 32GB of ultra-fast memory, support for both Intel and AMD platforms, low latency performance, and robust overclocking capabilities, it is designed to meet the demands of modern computing. This RAM kit not only boosts your PC's performance, but also adds a striking visual element to your build. If you want to experience faster load times, smoother gameplay, and more responsive computing, the Crucial Pro DDR5 memory kit is an investment that delivers tangible improvements for both gaming and productivity applications. In conclusion, for anyone aiming to future-proof their desktop system and enjoy elite performance, the Crucial Pro DDR5 32GB kit is a top-tier choice. Its combination of high-speed DDR5 memory, low latency, broad compatibility, and premium design makes it an essential upgrade for gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best from their systems.